Oke guys, ketemu lagi dengan saya Uncle Teng. Kali ini saya akan membuat sajian masak buat sarapan yang serba cepat. Ya, first of all, kita karena suasana lagi Natal, kita harus pakai topi chef dulu. What's up, Nick? You gonna be my assistant? Nah, ini telur ada 2, tum, cepat.
What is it called? Tulang?
French toast.
Nama men French.
Oh, what a coincidence, because Noel is in French.
What is it in French?
Noel is French.
Jadi kita panasin dulu ini. Lagi go get me the milk. Jadi ini cara sarapan yang murah meriah guys ya buat anak-anak.
Not much left, Dad.
That?
It's not that much left.
Okay, that's okay. Jadi telur, susu, what else lagi? Okay, terus cinnamon. Cinnamon. Ini
That's cinnamon.
kayak yeah, this is cinnamon, right? It is. Oh no, yeah, it is a cinnamon. Ya ini kayu manis. Oke lagi?
Manis means sour.
Iya.
Nope. Manis means sweet.
Oke lagi.
Oh!
Oke campur, hancur. Nah lagi. Mix it up, right, please.
I totally know what that
Alright. So, ini asisten
Wait,
saya.
how did you do that?
What is your name again? What's your name?
Like,
Nike? Nike, how old are you?
I'm 9.
Nike? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Not good.
No.
Oke. Jadi, biar agak sedikit profesional guys, ini kita taruh campur dulu nih. Oke. Oh, lupa. Ini kopi sekalian disiapin dulu. Oh, kopi udah siap. Lagi, you do it like the real man. Come on. It's gonna take you forever. Look at that.
But the yolk is going to fall in the plate.
Oke, sekarang kita ambil rotinya. Lagi, look at the bread. Look at the bread inside the thing. Ya, oke. Jadi, nah, come on. Are you a joker? There you go.
Come on, Dad. Everybody likes chocolate.
Are you a joker?
Jadi kita masukin rotinya guys. Jadi bahannya itu aja tadi ya. Telur. What's the ingredients lagi? Eggs. Apa lagi? Susu.
Cinnamon.
Kayak kulit kayu manis. Bam. Okay, Naki, you wanna do it or do you want
What
to do
is
that?
this, a cooking tutorial? Or you can put that
No, it's not cooking tutorial. This is vlog. Vlog mean Naki, this is like something daily life, like whatever the content is. It can be anything. It can be you yelling, it can be you screaming, it can be you whatever, right? There you go.
So, wait, are you going to post this on YouTube?
Oh yeah, it's my on YouTube. Boom, boom. There you go, guys. Udah hampir selesai nih. Jadi jadinya cepat. Sekarang kopi. Okay. Make my coffee ready, Nike. Come on. There you go. Coffee.
Wow, it's a fancy kitchen, Dad.
Fancy kitchen. No, it's not. Heat it up. There you go. It's a coffee. See?
Now what?
Now what? Nothing. We have to flip the thing. Jadi cepat guys. Ini persiapannya itu di bawah 5 menit. Jadi ini nama vlognya apa Blur?
Sarapan cepat.
Ala murah
Cara
meriah.
sarapan
Naki,
cepat.
Naki, go get the dishes, Naki. Go get your plate. Okay, ambil plate. Kecuali itu udah siap, Naki. Oke, ini buat anak-anak. Boom. Ini udah siap saja nih, guys. Nah, ini nih, lihat nih. Mana tim kamerawati atau kameramen? Oke, ini buat anak kecil. Biasanya mereka suka 2. Boop. Satu lagi. And by the times we're doing okay, greasy. Jadi kita sambil nyajiin.
Wait,
kita
we're doing
siapin
more?
yang kedua. Yeah, for you guys, right? And then mom.
Oh, wait.
Stop. Okay. Yang duit lagi. Jadi sekali kita nyajian yang tara pertama, kita langsung
What about
siapin.
chocolate, Dad? Why can't we put chocolate?
You guys will have a syrup, right? Gabby, you ready, buddy?
No, what about French chocolate? Nice. What do you want?
Jadi, berarti boleh dihita, boleh apa namanya ini? Goreng pisang lah ya. Goreng cepat ya.
Pisang.
Apa lagi sarapan?
Roti bakar.
Oh,
Ya, roti bakar. Beliin roti bakar.
Bakar. Oke guys. Oke. Kain lap. Kalau di kampungku namanya ini kain lap.
Enggak ada.
Oke guys, ini udah siap nih. Oke Gabe. Oke, Gabe. Dan like. And where's the syrup? Jadi guys, sidang. Gabe duduk. So, ini belum. Ini dia udah siap saji. Guys. Nah, ini udah kayak ala restoran bintang 5. Nah, jadi ini sirup buatan Kanada.
Hello?
Nah, lagi nah.
Yeah,
Oke.
Gab, they're not working. Oh.
Jadi tadi kalau anda timing, ini vlognya ini nggak ada edit, jadi tujuannya juga biar kalian tahu berapa lama dia udah jadi. Udah berapa menit belum?
6 minutes.
6 minutes, yeah, it's done, right, Gabe?
It's done.
Okay, now Gabe.
Enjoy, guys.
Now, Gabe, what would you do before you start eating? No, Naki, what is that to do? Come on. Bang, gugu dong, come back, gugu.
Oh.
Say grace. Come on, Naki. Come on.
I'm trying to do something.
Okay.
Maybe we can turn
And Gabi.
Gabe,
I will this
jadi saya mau closing guys. Jadi itu dia guys ya.
Give me a nice.
Jadi,
You'll have
oke. Saya kembali ke sini. Oke, jadi saya mau closing vlognya guys.
Like,
Jadi itu dia yang apa namanya cara buat French toast yang ala cepat murah meriah. So anyway, hope you guys like this video, and if you like it jangan lupa tekan tombol like-nya, and so text me kalau ada mau topik yang mau kita bahas seputar kehidupan atau seputar aktivitas di Kanada. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching and ciao.
we need batteries.